Introducing 20 habits that quietly steal your youthfulness without you noticing it. Almost everyone desires a youthful appearance, making the age-defying industry thrive. People invest significant amounts of money annually, ranging from hundreds to thousands of dollars, in their quest to appear younger. While costly skincare products and beauty treatments can contribute to this goal, the most impactful investment lies in the adjustments we make to our daily habits and routines. Let's explore 20 detrimental habits that accelerate the aging process, often without our realization. Number 1. Smoking. Smoking not only harms overall health but also damages the skin, teeth, eyes, and hair. It can accelerate the aging process and increase the risk of serious health problems. Number 2. Skipping on sleep. Lack of sleep can make you look and feel older, affecting both mental and physical health. Number 3. The way you sleep. Pressing your face into a pillow can cause skin trauma and wrinkles. Sleeping on your back or using a silk pillowcase can help. Number 4. Crash dieting. Quick-fix diets can reduce energy levels, mess with concentration, and lead to wrinkles and sagging skin. Number 5. Exercising only to lose weight. Regular exercise helps prevent age-related diseases, improves mood, and keeps the body strong and flexible. Number 6. Not taking time for yourself. Failing to prioritize self-care and personal time can contribute to premature aging. Establish small me-time rituals throughout the day. Number 7. Drinking from bottles and through straws. Puckering the lips while drinking can lead to fine lines and wrinkles around the mouth. Avoid straws and drink from a glass. Number 8. Holding on to grudges. Learning to forgive and let go can improve physical, psychological, and spiritual well-being, reducing stress and anxiety. Number 9. Not using sunscreen every day. Overexposure to UV radiation ages the skin. Protect your skin by wearing sunscreen with at least SPF 30 daily. Number 10. Sweating the small stuff. Chronic stress can accelerate the aging process, so it's important to manage stress and maintain a positive outlook. Number 11. Rubbing your eyes. Rubbing the eyes can break down collagen and elasticity, leading to wrinkles. Use alternative methods to relieve eye irritation. Number 12. Working too much. Prioritizing work at the expense of other aspects of life can contribute to looking and feeling older. Balance work with exercise, relaxation, and quality time with loved ones. Number 13. Central air and heating. Low humidity environments can dry out the skin and make wrinkles more pronounced. Adjust body temperature with layers of clothing instead of relying on central air conditioning or heating. Number 14. Using alcohol as stress relief. Using alcohol as a coping mechanism can lead to inflammation, slower metabolism, and unresolved issues. Find healthier ways to manage stress, like writing or seeking support. Number 15. Indulging too often. Consuming too much sugar can lead to inflammation and premature aging. Number 16. Poor posture. Slouching can lead to muscle imbalances, joint strain, and compression of the spine, resulting in an older-looking posture. It also causes fatigue, reduced lung capacity, and digestive issues. Maintaining good posture helps you look and feel more youthful. Number 17. Neglecting mental and emotional health. Chronic stress and neglecting self-care accelerate aging. They lead to increased inflammation, weakened immune system, and higher risk of age-related diseases. Prioritizing self-care, practicing stress reduction techniques, and seeking help when needed maintain a youthful mind and slow down aging. Number 18. Skipping skincare. Neglecting a consistent skincare routine can lead to dull, dehydrated skin and exacerbate signs of aging. Cleanse, moisturize, and protect your skin daily to maintain a healthy, youthful complexion. Number 19. Ignoring hydration. Dehydration can leave your skin looking dry, dull, and aged. Drink an adequate amount of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated and promote a plump, youthful appearance. Number 20. Overexposure to screens. Staring at screens for prolonged periods can strain your eyes, contribute to eye fatigue, and potentially accelerate the development of fine lines and wrinkles around the eyes. Take regular breaks, practice the 20 to 20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds, and consider using blue light filters or glasses. It's crucial to recognize that the power to choose lies in your hands. Aging is a gradual process that unfolds over time, making it essential to pay attention to the daily habits that can shape your future health and happiness. The good news is that the choices and habits that promote well-being as you age are also beneficial for your present self. Embracing a healthier lifestyle is a decision that can be made at any age, at any time. We value your opinions and would love to hear how you maintain a youthful appearance or what adjustments you plan on making. We appreciate your support. If you found this content enjoyable, please show your appreciation by giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and activating the notification bell. Also, don't forget to share these videos with your friends who might find them interesting. Thank you for tuning in and being a part of our community.